Chief Meteorologist Scott Padgett.
Right.
He's the one you want to hear from because we know you're waiting on practice tonight. Are we going to have school tomorrow? That's too early to call for pretty much everybody, except a few.
Please don't use that same adjective towards me with this forecast that's coming up or how things are. Because, snow forecasting here in North Texas, sometimes a little bit difficult with this winter precip. And it doesn't just stop at that one line that I'll show you coming up. But take a look at our time lapse from today, and you can see how the front was pushing its way through this morning. A mild morning, a mild afternoon. I've stopped it right now. Now watch as we go through the next couple of frames. This line will come in. There it is. That was the front that kind of pushed its way through. So you definitely needed to see that. And taking a look at what's happening for us right now, the rain now showing up on the lens of the camera. So we're continuing to see that holding on for us right now. And we will continue to see the rain in parts of North Texas holding together. So what to expect for tonight into Tuesday morning. Northern areas in our Red River counties already starting to maybe see a little bit of a switch over. Very light precip amounts, few issues for you. Now, the DFW area and the I-20 corridor, light wintry mix up to 1/2 inch. You could see some travel issues with this. Then south of I-20 and our southeast areas, that's where we have a better chance of this wintry mix up to, in some spots, 2 inches. We could see some significant travel issues. So that's what we talked about. Patchy, icy spots overnight and Tuesday morning in the DFW metro. More widespread icy travel south of I-20. Those bridges and overpasses and even the side streets could be affected the worst, although a lot of our roads have been treated. It's just something to keep in mind. The precip really starting to develop more. Some more widespread rain now developing, light rain holding together. But what's interesting for me, just over the past probably 5 minutes or so, let me move the radar down just a bit more. As you notice in parts of Collin County and Denton County, starting to see the colors switching over just a bit. Don't have any reports yet of this switching over to that winter mix, but we're now within that winter weather advisory starting at 6, going until about noon tomorrow. In our south counties, we're dealing with more widespread moderate rain in some spots, some heavy rain that is developing. So we'll watch this as we go through the next few hours, and on the wide view you can see that we have the colder air now just close to the freezing mark in Sherman at 34 degrees. We're at 37 in Gainesville. So the cold air working its way north to south, and we'll gradually see that switch over happening over the next couple of hours. We're at 38 in Sanger to 43 in Azle to 41 in Plano. So the cooler air settling its way on in. And the future sky forecast shows by 7 to 8, we see that switch over happening near parts of the Metroplex. We're not really going to be seeing the accumulation happening yet in some spots, but definitely starting to see that precip switching over to the frozen form and then going to 9 to 10 tonight. Southeast sides of Dallas County and our southern and southeast counties starting to see that switch over, that quick switch over to maybe some snow, and then continuing going into tomorrow morning. That's why we do have this winter weather advisory in effect from 6 now until about noon Tuesday. The blue counties, the purple counties, winter storm warning. So we talked about it starting after 6, which is right now, that dusting to 1/2 inch possible, that quick transition to snow with those slick driving conditions. The winter storm warning going into effect at midnight until 6, that 1/2 inch to 2 inches of accumulation of sleet and snow mix. How much are we talking about? Maybe 1 to 2 inches. And then behind that, the cold air settles in. We are going to be dealing with those feels like temperatures down into the single digits tonight, even though we get down to 22. And then Wednesday morning, it is going to be a very cold morning, 13 degrees. That feels like temperature, even cooler than that, guys.